Good morning, students. In the class of geography, that last topic of geography grid we'll discuss today, and the last topic is great circle and a small circle. In this topic, we'll discuss about the great circle and a small circle and characteristics of great circle. So, what is this great circle? Any line that will pass through the center of the earth will make the great circle. Any line that will pass through the center of the earth, this is the center of the earth. Any line that will pass through the center of the earth. Suppose this is A is the center of the earth. That line will make the great circle. So, both kinds of lines, latitude and longitude, both will pass through the center of the earth. And this line will divide this sphere, means the earth, into two equal halves. Two things I am telling you here. First is the definition of great circle. The line that will pass through the center of the earth will make the great circle. And that line will divide the earth into two equal halves. These two things you will keep in mind for the definition of great circle. The line that passes through the center of the earth and divides the earth into two equal halves. That line makes the great circle. So, latitude passes through the center of the earth. Only one latitude passes through the center of the earth, and that latitude is equator. Equator passes through the center of the earth, that is 0 degree latitude. So, this equator makes the great circle of the earth, and this equator divides the earth into two equal halves. Similarly, longitude also passes through the center of the earth. As you know, if you say the prime meridian, opposite of prime meridian will be international date line, that you say 180 degree east or 180 degree west. Both are the same line, you know. So, these two, combining these two will make the great circle of the earth. These two also divides the earth into two equal halves. We say eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. So, longitudes also, in longitudes we have some more longitudes. Suppose this is the measurement of 40 degree east, then opposite longitude of 40 degree east combining with 40 degree east will make the great circle. Opposite longitude of 40 degree east will be 140 degree. Okay. Suppose this is 60 degree east. So, opposite of 60 degree east will be 120 degree. So, that 120 degree and this 60 degree will make the great circle. So, longitudes also passes through the center of the earth. So, this type of lines, latitudinal lines and longitudinal lines will make the great circle. Those pass through the center of the earth, dividing the earth into two equal halves. Here I am writing, if this is 0 degree, opposite became 180 degree. If this is 40 degree, opposite of this became 140 degree. And if this is 60 degree, opposite of this became 120 degree. All these longitudes will also make the great circle. Now, we come to the characteristics of great circle. There are 6 characteristics of a great circle. Among these 6 characteristics, we will see the explanation one by one. The first is the great circle coincides with the center of the earth. Second is, this is the largest circle. Great circle is the largest circle. Largest circle on the earth. Third is that it can be aligned in any direction. It can be aligned in any direction. And fourth is it represents the circumference. It represents the circumference of the earth. And fifth, this is the shortest distance between two circles, between 2 points. This is the shortest distance between 2 points. And the last is, being the shortest distance, this is also known as great circle root. Great circle root. Great circle roots. So again, we repeat the explanation of this. First is the definition of great circle. The line that passes through the center of the earth, dividing the earth into 2 equal halves, is called the great circle. So among those, one is latitude, that is the equator. This equator passes through the center of the earth, and there are so many longitudes. We consider longitudes in this way: 0 degree. If 0 degree is front, that is the prime meridian, opposite of it will be 180 degree. Means sum of those two longitudes should be equal to 180 degree. Then those two longitudes will also make the great circle. First is 40 degree, another will be 140 degree, opposite of it. So 40 degree plus 140 degree equal to 180 degree. If front longitude is 60 degree, then opposite of it will be 120 degree. 60 degree plus 120 degree equal to 180 degree. Anyway, now we come to the characteristics of great circle. There are 6 characteristics. First is, this great circle coincides with the center of the earth. Second, this is the largest circle drawn on the globe. This is the largest circle. This is the front part. Opposite part also, if you join this line to the opposite part, you will get the great circle. Okay, and this is the front part. Opposite of it, we have also equator. If you join, you will get the great circle. So the largest circle, this is the largest circle drawn on the earth. Third is, it can be aligned in any direction. In eastern side also, in eastern hemisphere also you can draw. In western hemisphere also we can draw the great circle. but we have to combine the opposite longitude of that longitude that is visible front of the globe. And next is it represents the circumference of the circle. Suppose you measure this all around the globe, then you will get the circumference of the globe, of the earth. Similarly, number 5, the shortest distance. If there are 2 points, suppose here this is the any points, there are 2 points, any points are there on the equator, any points are there are 2 points, then to reach from this point P to Q, this is the shortest distance to go through the great circle, that is the shortest distance between 2 points. And the last, this type of route that makes the shortest route between these 2 points are called great circle routes. Now this revision test, online revision test will be held on 2nd May at 11 a.m. 11 to 11:10 a.m. So before that 1 or 2 days we shall revise the chapter. Few facts those may be asked in this test will be revised again. So you must watch those videos for your better revision. Thank you.